Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down the foundation. Remove old bedding and confirm mattress firmness and pillow support. Once done, pull on a clean-fitted sheet tightly so it hugs corners without puckers, because a smooth base feels instantly neater. Next, place a thin mattress protector and a lightweight base blanket for subtle insulation. This prevents slipping and adds a soft, even layer beneath the heavier covers. Make sure seams align with mattress edges as you work. You continue by building texture and comfort. Lay a mid-weight duvet or comforter centered on the bed and smooth it so both sides hang evenly, because balance affects perceived coziness. Then fold a top layer, throw 1/3 back at the foot to create a layered look and an easy-access warmth zone. Arrange 2 to 4 pillows mixing sizes and textures, supportive sleeping pillows at the back, decorative ones in front, so the bed reads inviting and functional at the same time. Finish by fluffing each pillow and patting the duvet to distribute fill evenly. Small shifts make a big, cozy difference. Then add 1 accent pillow centered for a polished focal point and set ambient lighting and room temperature to a comfortable level. These cues signal relaxation. If things look uneven, retuck the sheet edges, swap any lumpy pillows, or refluff and shake the duvet. These quick fixes restore symmetry and comfort, so your bed feels intense.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.